Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Typeform with HubSpot. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at typeform.com or log into our existing account. Once we do that, we are greeted by our workspace at typeform.com, and if we want to make this integration work, let's go to the top corner of the screen and click on Connect. It's the option next to Create. Right now, we can search for integrations straight through Typeform. So let's write down HubSpot. The only thing that we have to do is click on Connect button and log into our HubSpot account and confirm this integration. We can also use Automate.io, which is integration app. I will leave the link in the description underneath this video. Once we're in here, let's go to integrations. And once this pop-up window shows up, let's go to the bottom left part and click on See All Categories. Now we should start looking for the first app in this integration, which will be Typeform. Once we pick the Typeform, it's about time to pick its counterpart, which will be HubSpot. Straight away we are greeted with some popular integrations, but if you won't be able to find the one that we are looking for, keep scrolling down so you can create your own integration. Just remember, on the left side underneath the triggers, you want to go with Typeform. We have only one option here. On the opposite side underneath the actions, you want to go with the HubSpot. I'm going with the first option just to show you how it's done. All we have to do now is click Try It Now button. And what we have to do now is to log in or register to our Automate.io account. And we are a few clicks away from finishing this integration. We can also use Zapier.com, which is a very similar app to Automate. All we have to do now is create an account here and go to the top left corner and create this app. Right now, we also want to start with a trigger. So let's write down Typeform. We should set the trigger event. There's only one as well. Continue. Now we have to log into our account at Typeform. Continue. Form. Let's go with the demo that Typeform provided for us. And now we can test our trigger. On the second action, as you probably thought, we want to integrate HubSpot. Now we have to manually pick the action event. As you can see, there's way more options. So let's go with the first one. And the last thing is we have to sign in to HubSpot. And that's about it. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.